Hello students, I am Ms. Shaha. My qualification is MSc B.Ed. I am your biology teacher from Kankali College, Kankali. So students, in science, biology is one of the important subject. What is biology? Biology is the science of life. In this you are going to study about the life. Its name is derived from the two Greek words, that is bios means life and logos means study. So you are going to study about the life. Biologists study the structure, function, growth, origin, evolution and distribution of living organisms. There are generally nine fields, umbrella fields of biology, each of which consists of multiple subfields. In biology, there are number of fields, and each fields they are having the multiple subfields. For example, biochemistry, botany, cellular biology, ecology, evolutionary biology, genetics, molecular biology, physiology, zoology. So these are number of fields which are studied in biology. Now you should know, as you are going to study biology, why biology is important in your life. Now, as a field of science, biology helps us to understand the living world and the ways its many species, that is including we also, that is humans, function, evolve and interact with each other. And advances in medicine, agriculture, biotechnology and many other areas of biology have brought improvements in the quality of life. Not only these fields but also other fields, genetics, molecular biology, cellular biology or physiology, they have also changed they help to shape the future of life. So in this way, biology is important in many fields, in many ways. So now we are going to see the syllabus of 11 science for biology subject. This is the content of the lessons in biology from your textbook. There are 16 topics, 16 lessons for your study in the syllabus of biology for 11th standard. All that is lessons, they will be taught to you sequentially. So there are from first, that is living world, systematics of living organisms, kingdom Plantae, kingdom Animalia, cell structure and organization, biomolecules, cell division, plant tissues and anatomy, morphology of flowering plants, animal tissue, study of animal type, that is of cockroach, photosynthesis, respiration and energy transfer, human nutrition, excretion and osmoregulation, and lastly is the skeleton and movement. So these are the lessons we are going to study in biology subject. Then next you are going to see the topics. There are 8 topics which I am going to teach you in biology. That is living world. Living world is a topic in which you are going to analyze basic characteristics of living and non-living organisms. Then second topic is the systematics of living organisms. In this topic you are going to describe plants and animals in the surrounding on scientific basic and classify them using taxonomic hierarchy. That is how you have classified in the school level, that is in the 9th and 10th, that is from kingdom to species, how the animals or plants are divided or they are classified from kingdom Plantae, that is kingdom, division, subdivision, class, subclass, order, family, genus and species. Then third topic is the kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae, it is in that topic you are going to recognize, analyze and compare structural similarities and dissimilarities or differences and progressive evolutionary changes in different plants. In this topic you are going to study about the plants. Then next is the cell division. Cell division, in this you are going to study the 3 types of cell division, that is mitosis, meiosis and amitosis, and also you are going to compare cell division process and know their role in life cycle of organisms. Then next you are going to see is the morphology of flowering plants. In this topic, you are going to explain basic morphology of dominant plant group of this era, that is angiosperms, and you're going to compare morphological features of different plant parts in different plant families. Then next is the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, in this topic you are going to see how the plants prepare food, prepare their own food, and they by the process of photosynthesis by using light energy, that is solar energy. Then you are going to study the respiration and energy transfer. In this you are going to see the importance of green energy and save energy in daily life. And lastly you are going to study skeleton and movement, that is you are going to see the you are going to study the bones of the body, that is as we are having the 206 bones in a body, in the adult human body. Those human bones you are going to study in this topic, that is skeleton and movement, and also the mechanism or physiology of the skeletal muscles, how they work in the body, how the skeletal muscles work in the body. So these are the 8 topics which I am going to teach you in biology subject in 11th standard. Thank you.